In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Giphy on Slack. If you've ever wanted to add a quick reaction, lighten the mood, or emphasize a point with a visual, Slack's built-in Giphy integration makes it simple. The magic happens with a single slash command that searches Giphy's massive library and lets you preview before anything is shared with your team. Here's how it works. Start in the message bar of the conversation where you want the GIF to appear. This can be a channel, a direct message, or a thread. Type the command exactly like this, /Giphy, followed by a space, then a short search term that captures the vibe you're going for. For example, you might try celebration, thanks, quote, or mind blown. Keep it simple. One or two words usually return the best variety. When you use the command, Slack fetches results from Giphy and shows you a preview so you can check what will be posted before anyone else sees it. This is helpful because GIFs can be loud, funny, or a little off target, and the preview step gives you a chance to make sure the tone fits the conversation. If the suggestion doesn't match what you had in mind, try tweaking your search term. Swap happy for excited, but voice out, or get more specific with something like slow clap. A small change often brings a better result. Once you find a GIF that feels right, look for the option to send. Selecting send confirms your choice and posts it directly into the conversation. Until you choose to send, the GIF remains private to you, so you can browse confidently without spamming the channel. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Think about context and audience. GIFs are fun, but they work best when they support your message. If you're sharing in a busy channel, pick something clear and readable. If you're in a thread, the GIF will stay connected to that specific discussion, which helps keep conversations organized. And if the first idea doesn't land, refine your search term rather than settling for a so-so result. If you don't see a preview or the GIF doesn't post, it may be due to workspace settings. Some organizations control how GIFs are used or which content is allowed. In that case, just be mindful of your team's norms. That's all there is to it. Type /Giphy with a search term, preview the suggestion, and select Send to Share. With a few thoughtful keywords, you'll be adding quick, expressive reactions that make your Slack conversations clearer and more engaging.